Hello guys, hello, my beautiful people, my amazing fans. Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depends on your time and depends on the time you come across it, our lovely people. Good day to you all. Happy New Year. Happy, prosperous 22. Happy New Year. We are still celebrating it. My dear lovely people, my dear amazing fans, my dear gorgeous fans. If you are watching Ruben Doris for the first time, please hit that notification bell by your right hand side so that whenever I am aboard, you will be the first person to be notified. Wow, share logbe, una happy New Year. So today matter, may God bless you now. I've called your way once again since celebrating the new year. You know, ever since I've not been coming, I was on ferry with my honey. So honey, I've start work today. So me myself, I've start work today. So life goes on. That's why I say we are Marriage Solution Prayer House TV program. So when hubby is in holiday, Christmas holiday, I have to stay with him. We have to arrange things. We have to go to places. You know, this is vertical city. A lot of fun are here. So my beautiful people, today we want to talk about New Year's resolution. New Year resolution. Now, know what they call New Year resolution? Changes. New Year's changes. New Year's good character. You know, say I first talk and say that last video where I do 2021, say the bad ones you go leave am for there. The good one you go bring and come here. Wetin be your New Year resolution? Wetin be your New Year changes? New Year's resolution. Now we want to talk today. That your New Year resolution, you go bring and come. This is New Year. We are still saying Happy New Year. We are still saying Selogbe. No, you know, say this abroad of 18 person, they know the time where you take count 20 years. They know the time where you take count 30 years. They know the time where you take count 10 years. They know the time where you take count 5 years. Now every seconds, every minute, it go they run, they go bang, bang, bang. And I felt talking that they say the worst enemy for our life na time. They wait. They wait me use and take do something. You say I want to do this one, go wait me. You go just run, they go pian pian. So waiting go help you out. Now I carry come here. That your new year resolution, it go help you and it go help me as you come watch me. My lovely and amazing fans. I felt talk and say if you they watch me, not just they watch me simply because you like to watch me. Always pick point in waiting at the talk. Waiting be your new year resolution. Say for example now, you will person where because some people have this habit of they will go from house to house, they'll go they gossip, go they talk irrelevant things. Now that will carry you come obodo ibu. That as you enter this new 2022, so put on for your new year resolution. Say that person where they call you, maybe they come in house. Not be say they come at least once in a while. Stay for your house. That thing about something. I'm not saying you not go person house, but you're going to go bring person matter the gossipy. Put on for your new year resolution. Say the gossipy. Some people now they go carry their datas. They watch irrelevant things, not be relevant things. So irrelevant English. Irrelevant things. English not go cut my tongue. Irrelevant things they go they watch and they watch. This is your new year resolution. And not also mean you don't watch all those things. At times they make person they feel happy. You watch some certain things, only you they laugh. Now happiness, you own your happiness alone. Watch most one where you they watch. A go they come. Not say get some channel, not be some channel, some channel na channel guale. So channel where person go they watch at times. Where you they watch all those channel, you they touch your life. It go they impact your life. It go they give you some kind things where you don't miss before. Like some people now for this obodo ibu, they don't know say that they go school. I guess some channel where you they watch, you can't say if person go school for obodo ibu, it go they make money. you get this certificate, you go dey make money. Because you abroad not be like as if it be before. Some people thought say, if you tell some people now say, as it be, so your New Year resolution now say for example, say you never born. As this year, put on for your agenda, say you must born. This year, you'll be like say you will tell that person. You'll say they use speaking to the mocker. You will be saying you never marry. Your New Year resolution, put on for your agenda, say this year you try make you marry. You will be say you don't marry, you don't born, everything don't do, you they waste money. Every time you they waste money. At the end of the years, at the end of the year, 12 months of the year, you know if you realize just €100 for inside your account. This one a New Year. This is your New Year resolution. You will think of, sit down for maybe for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Not be 10 minutes. 10 minutes too big. 2 or 3 minutes. Think of what particular thing where you spend unnecessary money put. This your New Year resolution. You try, maybe you drop that thing. Maybe they save money. We will be say, first half of the year, first 6 months, half of the year, you make so and so amount. You realize how much you don't make. The other, from July to December, you know how much you don't still make. You remember, some of these children where we born for this Obodo Ibo, we go save with them. Even though say they do something for us, that your New Year resolution, it get one particular thing where be say you they miss. You will try maybe say as this year, we just enter this year now. Your New Year resolution, try. You not get document before. Try maybe you work on how to get your document. You not get driving license. Try maybe you work on how to get one. You not get job. As we just enter January, so try maybe you look for one office to another. Try maybe you look for where move to people. You know not say this life. They'll say God they help person. I'm a Christian. God do help people, but I think God no come down from heaven can help you. He go send somebody. Move to people that will help you. If you see some kind of group of people, the midst of people where you deal with, where you say they know they progress. Nothing good is always coming out of them. Try me, you stay away from them. Those are one of the New Year resolution. When I not say get some kind of people where you they follow the waka. Na party friend, where party go day like this, you be fan. Hey, what you want here? Now this blue tie we want tie. Now this red tie we want tie. It's good to tie. It's good to flex. It's good to tie your hair, but at times, plan for your life. There is time for everything. There is time to tie hair. There is time to be wearing the latest weave. There is time to be wearing the latest gold. If you see say all those kind of person, now that one that they call you, drop the put. It gets some people now. Bad, sad agent, satanic agent, every time when they call you, na sad news they want give. All those kind of people, you go drop them. Find people that will always make you to be happy. Because when you are always happy, you always think positive, plan things positive. But when you are always sad, only you just sit down, they think. Evil mind go, they enter you. Because na baba news now you dey hear, and na baba thing, you go come influence your body. Can na bad thing, that bad thing where you enter your body, so you dey think of evil what you want to do. But if positive, you always think positive. They call this one don't buy big car. You call the other one, you don't open your house. You dey happy. You say, God will do this person. You go do my own. All those person where they give you bad news, you go drop them for one side. Think of positive people. People that have impacted with their positive life. Move close to them. Put it as an agenda in your New Year's resolution. This video, I don't want to waste much of your time. When you come across my video, my lovely brothers and sisters, help me to share it. I'll go my Facebook for my page. I want to do rosary. Beginning of the year's rosary. I will go do and you come watch me. Because Google thing, then I think they start New Year. This is the first video I'm doing for this year. So for the rosary, I'm taking it to page so that more people will come. So when you come across this my lovely video, Ruben Doris Marriage Solution Prayer TV program, please share this video for your New Year's resolution. Think of this thing. If you be say you person will be say money they enter your hand, waste. This January start to the save. Go open account. Different account now they see for this our Obodo Ibo. The one where they collect small, the one where they no collect, it go there. If una no know, I'm they call me. Now make me be Marriage Solution Prayer TV program. Not be only marriage. To help people. You call me, I'll still put you through. Save your money. It is very, very, because you never know what tomorrow is going to tell. Now see the whole world now. Okoro. This one is second year where Okoro they do so. Second year where Okoro they do so. Una they save una money. We don't know the kind something where they want announce again. Everybody is just putting his or her eye down. So my lovely people and amazing fans, please, when you come across this video, help me to share it. May God bless you. May God bless your activities. May God bless your marriage. May your coming to watch me never be in vain. May you never waste your data for coming to watch me. May you never come across any wicked person on your way for this new year. God will continue to protect you. God will continue to guide you. God will answer all your secret prayers for coming to watch me in Jesus' name. So, God bless you. Come to my page and let's say rosary together. God bless you. Bye.